So my people, Mary and Joy don't settle. Mary and Joy, they talk together for inside that house. Mary and Joy, they eat together for inside that house. The live video will be say, Mary do today, well that they do her nails, now that God expose them. God expose them, finish, Mary come begin they cry. Mary, why you they cry for that video? Before I go into this matter, make I greet my people. I greet you according to your time. Wherever you are watching me for, please give me like and love. Share this video for me. And don't forget to drop your comments on the comment section. Thank you, my people. So, Mary, you take because of pity. You take because of fans. You take because of bloggers where they fight themselves because of you so that they not go stop. So that they go continue to the pity for you. They go continue to the drag Joy. You can't begin to cry for live video. All because of say Joy appear for the live video. Aye, Mary, you can pretend for Africa. All because of say Joy appear for that live video. Joy, for inside the live video where you do, Joy, they call you Mary, my love. Joy, they play with you. Joy, just they play with you. But you excuse your face. Look at, I hope you watch that live video. When you do a thing, you see how you dry. You see how you excuse your face. You see how your vein, all of them show. Because you don't want to free your mind. You don't want to rest. Just want people to be fighting themselves all because of you. You want confusion to flow everywhere for social media. Mary, rest in Jesus' name. Cryy, rest. Mary, rest. Not only your husband be the first man where you don't marry woman, Joy woman. Rest in Jesus' name. So because of Joy appear for that live video, Joy can't pass. Joy can't tell you, say, I go pass again, oh. I go pass again, oh. He can't pass. He can't stand. You can't they cry for the live video. Hey! You can't they cry because if your people see her now, they'll go begin they quarrel with you. If your people see her now, they're not going to send you money again. If your people see her now, they're not going to send you gift again. You don't want people to be fighting themselves because of you. Because of you, they carry people matter, people mother, they go police station up and down. Because of you, they drag themselves, they cause themselves because of you. You don't want rest. You want make people continue to they drag Joy, they cause Joy, they drag Joy, they drag Joy. Mary rest. They drag lot of lemon. Not be lemon with your friends, they as they gist. They gist, I don't know people where they otherwise one, they all of the they gist. You okay, if you know say you don't want make people know say you and Joy they talk, why you can't on the live video? Why you on the live video? Why you on the live video? If you don't want make Joy appear, why you on the live video? You don't want make people know say that they talk. Because inside that sitting room now on that day, your husband with the friends that they talk for the other side, you and Joy and the girl where they fix your knees on a day together, Joy, they talk, they laugh. Ha! Now what for you? Oh? Now what for you? Because you don't want peace. I felt to say you don't like peace. You don't like peace. See the way you they curse, they swear for inside that live video we did. Wait till be all this one. Must you do all this? That is when your husband on camera like this, you go start to insult your husband, they shout. If you talk one, you talk 10 because you want to impress people. You want to impress people. You want your fans there, you're supposed to they say, hey, Mary, you do well. Say, God don't expose you now today. God don't expose you now. Okay, you the excuse face they cry. Now today you and Joy started the talk for inside the house. As now don't make settlement. Why can't you just settle and rest? Rest in Jesus' name. Rest. Rest. Because of you people, they swear for their children. They swear for each other children. They drag themselves. Rest. They don't swear for Joy, swear for Joy, swear for Joy, swear for Joy, tired because of you. Rest. They don't swear for lemon, swear for lemon, swear for lemon because of you. Rest. Rest in Jesus' name. Yours is too much. So because of say, now what for you? Now what for you? Eh? You both cry. So that they go use that cry, come begin to pity you. They go begin to cause Joy. They go begin to swear for her. They go begin to curse her. So that make you start to cry. You like pity, sha? You like pity. You want people to be pitying you. You want people they pity you so that I don't know what you they try to do. Mary rest. If there is peace, let that peace be. Let the atmosphere of peace reign. Rest in Jesus' name. All this one way they do not good. It's not good. All this you are doing is not good. to make you just dey carry people head, dey knock people head up and down, up and down, up and down because of your matter. Rest. If you stay, you see say everywhere don quiet, you go bring matter come out, you go start again. You don't want peace. All you want na pity. You want that money where they give you. You want that my fans bring this one, my fans bring this one, my fans that bring that one because they pity you. So that is what you want. Whereas you are make the one where they pay me pass, the people where they bring that come, because some of them self you they make money pass them. Some of them self you get two correct house. Some of them not even get one.